Look at the temperatures. You need it again this morning. 9 degrees right now in Eugene, 27 in Salem, and 22 in Roseburg. The entire stretch of the I-5 corridor in Oregon is below freezing this morning. We're also seeing those chilly temperatures in Central Oregon, 23 in Bend, negative digits again for Klamath Falls and for Burns. And as you head out to the coast, Newport, the one spot actually above freezing, but not by much, 34 there. Just 27 for those of you starting your day in North Bend. We're looking at a high temperature today of 27 degrees. The average for this time of year, 46, about 20 below that. The low temperature tonight dropping to about 17, also about 15 degrees below what is normal for this time of year. It is not average for us to be below freezing. That average still up at about 34 degrees, and we are entering into the coldest period of the year. Records even colder than we've been, down to -7. That was set back in 1972. So here's a look at this past week. We have been, again, about 20 to 30 degrees below average consistently. Today is day number 6 below freezing any hour of the day. It's the 9th morning that we've been at or below freezing, and for the last 3 days in a row, we dropped below that 0 mark. This morning, the first morning in those 3 days, that we're actually above that, but again, still in the single digits at 9 in Eugene. Seeing a few high clouds as you move into the northern part of the state, even seeing a few flurries as a weak disturbance makes its way right into the Rose City. Dry conditions south of Salem, although we are seeing some freezing fog here in the Eugene and Roseburg areas, adding additional ice to the roadways. So if you run into one of those patches of fog, just assume that it is freezing there on contact. Otherwise, icy, snowy conditions still remain here in the southern Willamette Valley. Still seeing that jet stream shooting straight down from the north with high pressure just offshore. But you notice that is starting to move a little bit further to the south. And also we're seeing that high pressure relaxing a little bit. So allow us to return to onshore flow, which does allow that fog to form again here in the valley. So we'll see that in the next 2 days, but we won't see another storm system until this guy moves in here. That's going to get here on Thursday, and it's going to come in with a bang. It's likely going to bring in some wintry mix. The storm itself is actually on the warmer side, but it's running into that very chilly Arctic air mass, which is in place. So you get that rain falling through a warm atmosphere, and then it drops to the surface where temperatures are below freezing, freezes on contact, and that's what we call freezing rain. Could also get some sleet or some snow rain mix in there as well, and then we'll see that change over to just isolated plain old rain showers as we head into the weekend. Today, though, still dry. Seeing that fog for those of you along the coast as well. Otherwise, partly cloudy. Highs back to the mid-40s, falling to the low 30s tonight. The Umpqua Basin right at about that freezing mark for high temperatures today, but you will drop back down into the mid-20s overnight. Mostly sunny, and again, watch out for that fog this morning. The Cascades will see highs in the mid to upper 20s, falling to the teens and 20s tonight. Partly sunny otherwise, continues to be on the cold side. Central Oregon, mid to upper 30s for you, so it is warming up, still teens overnight, but otherwise mostly sunny and dry. And for the Willamette Valley, mid to upper 20s for highs, back down to the teens for lows tonight. Still icy out there again. A lot of school closures in place again this morning. And here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Highs getting back to the 50s starting tomorrow for the coast. You'll see that rain on Thursday and temperatures above freezing overnight starting Thursday night. For the Umpqua Basin, warming up as well. Watch out for that wintry mix Thursday morning. Otherwise, just light isolated showers and mid-40s through the weekend. The Cascades will see some snow showers Thursday and again through the weekend. And for the Willamette Valley, still below freezing through Wednesday, warming up Thursday, but we'll see that wintry mix followed by light isolated showers into the weekend.